In this short tutorial, you'll learn how to freeze your location on Snapchat so that others can't see where you are. Snapchat's Snap Map feature allows users to share their real-time location with friends. But if you want to keep your location private, you can freeze it using Ghost Mode. Here's how to do it. Open the Snapchat app on your phone. Tap on the location icon in the bottom left corner of the screen. Tap on the gear icon, Settings, in the top right corner of the screen. In the setting, you'll see Ghost Mode. Toggle on Ghost Mode to hide your location from others on the Snap Map. You can choose to enable Ghost Mode for a set period of time, 3 hours or until you turn it off, or keep it on indefinitely. Once Ghost Mode is enabled, your location will be frozen and others won't be able to see where you are on the Snap Map. If you have any questions about this process, feel free to ask in the comments section below. If this tutorial was helpful, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips. Thank you for watching and enjoy your privacy.